In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how to make this football poster design using Pixellab and Lightroom. Select your background. Change the hue and brightness. Now add your subjects. Crop the face only for the second subject. Now put it behind. Now separate the face precisely. Now go to color filters and give it a contrasty, black and white look. Now add shadow for the first subject. Done for here. Now let's jump into Lightroom. Just increase the clarity, texture, and contrast a little bit, and make some changes according to your design. So we are done.